It's 11:15 here in Las Vegas, Nevada. We're going to do a 4-box break of Elite Football. Thank you guys for jumping in. Appreciate it as always. This is the last break of the night. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. Appreciate it as always. So I do need you guys to pick. So I have 4 over here, and I have 4 over here. So what 4 are we doing? There's anybody still? Oh, there's a lot of people. Anybody? Somebody's got to pick, please. Alright, did everyone just pass out? Left. I got a left and a left. Alright, good. Alright, we're going on the left. Alright. Good luck to all, and to all good luck. And another left. Alright. Good luck to all. Slotch. Kerryon Johnson. Camera's a little bit off. Kerryon Johnson, rookie elitist for the Lions. Bradley Chubb out of $6.99 for the Broncos. Out of $2.99, Winston and Mariota. This will likely be random. This will be random at the end of the break. For the Packers, at a 99 turn of the century auto of Marquez Valdez-Scantling. Out of 99. Slotch. Cam Newton, letter N. That one's numbered out of 99. Elite deck. Leonard Fournette. Jameis Winston out of 97 for the Bucks. Craftsman Robert Kelly for the Redskins. Out of 99, Melvin Gordon for the Chargers. Out of 75, Tom Brady, primary colors. Woohoo! Blue ink dual auto for the Giants. Kyle Aletta and Saquon Barkley for the Giants. Pen Pal dual auto. Kyle Aletta, Saquon Barkley. Nice. Blue ink. Captain Crunch, Eli Manning. Trey Quinn out of 99 for the Redskins. Gerald McCoy out of 99. 93 of 99. eBay 1 of 1 jersey. Jersey number. Oh, ha, 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 ha. Ho, ho, ho. Bo Scarborough out of $6.99. The Cowboys. Hard Hats Von Miller. Slotch. Deshaun Watson out of $2.99 for the Texans. Myles Garrett, 29 of 95 for the Browns. Tidal Waves, Eli Manning. Slotch. Out of $6.99, Leighton Vander Esch. Cowboys. And base. Alright, box 2. I thought I cut this already. Yeah. Alright. Slotch. Russell Wilson, letter L. Out of $2.99. Hard Hats, Julius Peppers. Joshua Jackson out of $1.99 for the Packers. Craftsman jersey swatch of Russell Wilson for the Seahawks. Ryan Tannehill out of 99 for the Dolphins. Slotch. Captain Clutch, Jameis Winston. Out of $6.99, Nyheim Hines, Colts. Out of $2.99, primary colors, Tyreek Hill. Out of 49. 49 out of 49. Bradley Chubb for the Denver Broncos. Turn of the century auto. Tidal Waves, Von Miller. Slotch. Die cut out of 24 for the Rams. Aaron Donald. Joe Mixon out of 72. 30 of 72 for the Bengals. Rookie Elitist, Mason Rudolph. For the Seahawks, out of 99, Shaquem Griffin. Out of 699, Deion Kane for the Colts. Slotch. Out of 699, Carlton Davis for the Bucks. Out of 299, Gurley, Melvin Gordon. Face to face. That'll be random at the end of the break. For the Jaguars, Black Ink, DJ Shark. Pen Pal on card auto, DJ Shark. Elite deck, Julio Jones. Teddy Bridgewater out of 99 for the Jets. And base. Alright, 2 down, 2 to go. Alright, box 3. Out of 699, Quentin Nelson. Out of 75, Carson Wentz. The letter N. For the Steelers, out of 99, Mason Rudolph, turn of the century autograph. For the Steelers. Tidal Waves, Joe Montana. Slotch. Anthony Miller out of 699 for the Bears. Out of 299, primary colors, Antonio Brown. Steelers. My buddy, my pal, Jaleel Scott, Black Ink auto for the Ravens. Can't go with an elite break for me without him. He is my main man. Get that guy all the flipping time. Elite deck, Todd Gurley. Die cut out of 24 for the Eagles, Josh Adams. Slotch. Captain Clutch, Eli Manning. Royce Freeman out of 699 for the Broncos. Slotch. Carson Wentz, Dak Prescott out of 299. Let me part of that random. Hard hats, Tre'Davious White. Joshua Jackson out of 99 for the Packers. Jared Goff, dual jersey for the Rams. Elite coverage, Jared Goff. Out of 49, Drew Brees for the Saints. Slotch. Rashawn Evans out of 99 for the Titans. Darius Slay out of 299 for the Lions. Rookie elitist Lamar Jackson. And Jimmy Graham out of 99 for the Packers. All right, one more to go. Jordan Howard W out of 299 for the Bears. Passing the torch out of 49, Davis Webb for the Giants. 26 of 49, Davis Webb, passing the torch auto. It's a random auto. AJ Bouye, hard hats. Slotch. Out of 699, Deron Payne, Redskins. Primary colors, Leonard Fournette for the Jaguars. That one's out of 99. Tidal Wave, Steve Young. Frank Gore out of 299 for the Dolphins. was missing a card. Hopefully it wasn't enough. Slotch. Letter R, Drew Brees. Out of 75. Elite Deck, Deshaun Watson. Leonard Fournette out of 299 for the Jaguars. Throwback Threads. Matt Ryan, Michael Vick. 24 of 25. Out of 299, Terrell Suggs. I believe there is a domestic dispute going on underneath me at this moment. Slotch. Mason Rudolph, rookie elitist. $6.99, Antonio Callaway. I don't think I've ever pulled him. Darius Guice, black ink, on-card auto for the Redskins. Yeah, I don't know what's going on below me. Captain Clutch, Joe Thomas. I'm just going to try to get through this as quickly as I can. Oh, shoot. Out of 99, Larry Fitzgerald. Yeah, he's getting angry. He's an angry elf. Slotch. Out of 25, Riley Ferguson for the Buccaneers. Out of, oh, we got an extra card in here. Out of 6.99, Chad Thomas. There was our missing card. Maurice Hurst out of 199 for the Raiders. Alright, we do have to do one random on the 2 dude cards. So bear with me for 1 second. Hopefully no F words are flying out of the downstairs. People that are going nuts, losing their minds. Alright, give me 1 second. Left, right, left, right. Alright, here we go. Come on over. We're going to roll dice. We do not do 2s or 3s. 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. Come on. 5. There it goes. 6. Goes to the right side. That is Wentz, Gordon, and Mariota. All right. That is all for tonight, guys.